Guys, look how cute this Airbnb is. Hey, it's my friend's birthday, so we are sharing this room.
No.
And this is kind of like a loft. This is the living room that I showed you guys. So cute. And then this is like, guys, look how cute. It's like my old apartment last year. Not last year, the first Michael Jackson book. It's fake, guys. It's fake. It's a box. But this is...
I need a drink!
So cute. But look at this wall, guys. Nuggets! You're supposed to walk around it 7 times for good luck. Guys, they have Wee Bear pillows. Ice Bear is my favorite. Oh. If you get Grizz, it comes with an eye mask. But it doesn't look like Pan Pan or Ice Bear has an eye mask. I am getting these disposable masks. So they're so cute. I love Miniso. Oh, they even have little washcloths. Oh. Miniso stays with the good stuff. Good licensing. Can't be beat. I think Nami has... What does Nami have? Sesame Street. We're just walking the streets of Suzhou until we get to the landmark. And we decided to pop into, well, I decided to pop into Miniso. What's he doing? Ni hao. Why did he get so close? Why are they staring? They said it's Snoopy. Snoopy has no ears, guys. I'm not lazy, I'm emotionally challenged.
Did you say that?
Yes, that's what it says. I feel like the two are not correlated at all. The mural is so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, I made it.
Okay guys, so the water is frozen on top and at the bottom it's really cold, but they're moving so slowly, so we have to Google it and see if maybe it's okay. Don't touch, oh my gosh, my pain. Poor fish. Oh yeah. It's crazy. Wow. Hopefully they survive. Herbology vibes. These parakeets, maybe? I think they're parakeets. Imagine having to work in there. And like, oh my gosh, it's so dangerous, guys. I'd be nervous every day. Guys, I'm trying to open up these masks and it's so difficult. I've been talking all weekend about what has tighter security than the Capitol building, and the answer would be these mini-so mask packets. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm literally, finally. Oh my gosh. These masks were, you get 10 for 10 RMB. That's 1 RMB per packet. 10 RMB is like less than $1.50. And so I got them just because they're We Bear Bears and they're just so cute. Like there's Grizz. There's just a bunch of, I've been buying We Bear Bears merch from Miniso for almost 2.5 years now. I just started watching the show like 2 months ago. And it is amazing. They're so cute. They are so cute. So this is the mask. On, you have a lot of Grizz. And then it says like Cartoon Network at the bottom. But we don't care about that. They're so cute. I wish there was more of Pan Pan and a lot more of Ice Bear, because Ice Bear is my favorite. But, oh, okay. So cute. China has like the cutest stuff, guys. Is this a strip club? I don't know.
Like, there's a hole.
Ma'am, there's no one in this bar. I don't see, dang. I knew as soon as, I see a black person. What a girlfriend. I see another black person. Pulp Fiction, y'all. We will rock you. Okay now. Okay guys, it's the last night in Suzhou. We're gonna end off the night with some steam eye masks. I'm gonna let my friend pick which one she wants. They're the same, just like different patterns. And of course, it's our girl Mulan. So I'm gonna put on my steam eye masks, put in my earbuds. I don't know why I call them earbuds. Put in my buds. And fall asleep to some Sherlock Holmes, the audiobooks. So, yeah.